Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Expedia. Whether you're updating your contact information or simply want to use a different email for your travel bookings, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage various settings related to your Expedia profile. Now that you're in your account dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several menu options for managing different aspects of your account. Click on Security and Settings. This section houses all the important controls for your account's security features and personal information. Within the Security and Settings page, locate and click on Email. This is where you'll be able to update your current email address to a new one. Expedia requires verification before making this change to ensure the security of your account. At this point, Expedia will send a verification code to your current email address. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your email inbox. Look for the email that Expedia has just sent you. It should arrive within a few moments, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you've located the email from Expedia, open it and you'll find a 6-digit verification code inside. Copy this code, then switch back to the Expedia tab where you left off. Paste the code into the verification field and click Continue. This confirms that you have access to the current email and authorizes you to make changes. Now you're ready to enter your new email address. Type your new email carefully into the first field, making sure there are no typos or errors. Then re-enter the same new email address in the second field to confirm it matches exactly. Finally, click Update Email to save your changes. Expedia will process this update, and your new email address will now be associated with your account for all future communications and booking confirmations. And that's it. You've successfully changed your email on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.